Panjat tebing indoor muncul sebagai solusi kebugaran dan kesehatan mental yang ideal. Olahraga ini tak cuma menguatkan fisik, tapi juga melatih fokus, kemampuan memecahkan masalah, dan ketahanan mental kita. Nah, ngomongin panjat tebing indoor, pernah dengar Indoclimb? Ini adalah indoor climbing gym pertama di Jakarta. Lokasinya strategis banget di FX Sudirman, area pusat kota yang gampang diakses. Berawal dari sebuah komunitas di tahun 2019, Indoclimb terus berkembang pesat. Indoclimb juga unik karena jadi climbing gym pertama yang punya 3 fasilitas lengkap.
Indoclimb, we are the first indoor climbing gym in Jakarta. We are located in FX Sudirman in the CBD area. And I think we are the first climbing gym that have 3 climbing facilities in 3 disciplines, which is we have lead wall, we have boulder wall, and we have speed wall. As an indoor climbing gym, FX Sudirman is the first one. We started from 2019, but we started as a community at first actually.
Sekarang, buat lo yang tinggal di Jakarta dan punya passion sama panjat tebing, lo bisa banget manjat sepuasnya di dalam mall. Bayangin deh, habis shopping atau nongkrong di kafe, langsung bisa adu kekuatan sama gravitasi. Tujuannya jelas, biar lo makin gampang nyalurin hobi. Jadi, selesai meeting atau hangout, lo bisa langsung manjat, bakar kalori, dan ngerasain serunya nemplok di dinding tanpa harus jauh-jauh keluar kota.
We built the climbing gym inside the mall because as Jakartans, we all like to hang out inside the mall. And because if we have the facilities inside the mall, it is easier for people to like climb and then have a lunch and then back to climb again. And I don't know, they can like hang out or have a meeting around inside the mall and then go back to climb again.
Para climber harus tahu banget bagaimana menggunakan badan mereka, dari mulai keseimbangan, pakai core muscle, sampai kaki di waktu yang bersamaan. Indoclimb juga menjual berbagai peralatan yang diperlukan dalam wall climbing. Jadi, kalau lo udah makin serius dan pengen punya perlengkapan sendiri, semua ada di sini.
For beginner, usually we suggest people to do interval training for bouldering because we want them to have a muscle memory first, and climbing can be difficult if you don't know how to use your body, but it's all about technique. It's not just strength and power, but it's also like balance and how to use your core and feet at the same time. And in interval training, we teach you how to do it. Then the second, for beginners, if you want to climb high, we also have a top rope in the back wall. Well, besides climbing, we also sell some equipments like climbing shoes. In climbing, you need a harness for safety and all kind of carabiners and everything.
Kenalan yuk sama Krista, salah satu member Indoclimb yang punya cerita menarik. Awalnya, dia cuma dikenalin sama olahraga ini sama temennya. Nggak nyangka, dari coba-coba, Krista malah jatuh cinta sama wall climbing dan mutusin buat ngelanjutin hobi barunya ini.
It's quite random actually. It's just like I've got a friend who told me about this, and then I thought, okay, let's try it out. And then apparently it's quite nice. I quite like it, so that's why I just continued. I think like I'm doing this only because as a regular workout kind of thing. I did a competition once, but I think it's just like one time just to get the experience and then that's it. I think I prefer to do this for fun and not sort of like a serious kind of athlete kind of thing. Yeah, just for fun basically.
Wall climbing itu punya daya tarik unik yang nggak bisa dibandingin sama ekstrim sport lain. Kenapa? Karena di wall climbing, lo bisa fokus sama tantangan yang ada, mecahin jalur, dan ningkatin skill lo sendiri, tanpa harus tergantung sama tim atau orang lain.
I mean, I'm not sure I can get a correct comparison because I think I don't do a lot of like extreme sport, if you want to call it. But I think I quite like it because it's strength based, so I get to sort of train my upper body, and also it's the kind of thing that you can actually do by yourself. You don't really have to know someone to do this, and so you don't really need to have a team or a group of friends. I think this indoor climb has got quite a nice selection of climbing.
Itu semua bisa jadi pengalaman yang bikin nagih dan pastinya boost up your energy. Kalau konten ini bikin kamu dapat inspirasi, jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share ya.